Okay, this is Tina's reaction to watching Two Girls and One Cup. Press play.
What's MFX stand for?
Look!
Again.
Don't turn away.
Though.
Just look. Move your hand to your face. I want to see your face.
Though. Ooh. You know what? I just
look,
ate.
look.
Ah, whiz. Ah, listen. Ah, fucking gross.
Look. It's not finished. Put your hand down. I want to see your face.
Oh, God.
What are they doing?
Gagging.
What are you doing? What do you see?
Real. That's so gross. You should at least 21 years of age to watch this video. That's so fucked, man. Fucking gross. What the fuck is wrong with these people?